guys, what is going on today? It is Saturday morning. We are approaching the middle, or we're at the middle of March actually. So all week long, 5-day work week, checking that weather. It looked like we had absolutely, excuse me, I'm gonna hit this. Looks like we had absolutely no fishing window for the weekend. I mean, looked at it every few hours, trying to find it, and I think we found it. It's Saturday morning. Now, I promise you, sometime during this video, it's gonna look bad. We are gonna get wet, we are gonna have wind, but I'm out here trying to get some good content, trying to get some good fish. I could be selfish and say it's all for you, but it's not. It's for both of us, because I gotta scratch that itch, so to speak. But we are here first thing this morning. Like I said, there is weather heading our way. It was supposed to be gusts up to 20 and 30 miles an hour with sustained about 13. Right now it's probably about 10 miles an hour, and it's not raining. The rain is coming, but hey, we're here. Let's get it done while we can, guys. I'll see you out there with the fish on the line. There it is. Top water action. Looks like a little baby trout. Yes, it is. Good deal. God, I keep catching these babies. Her mama's got to be out here somewhere. Look at that little guy. Once again, look at this. That's incredible. These eaters are unbelievable. Hey, they're hungry. That's good. See you, buddy. Go home. Alright, let's see if we can keep it going. Really would love a bigger one. That just ain't gonna get it. Guys, what is going on? Oh my God, I wish they had a tournament going on for the smallest possible fish that a person can catch, because I would win it. I would absolutely win it. Look at that guy. He's a red. I bet he was born last night. Let me let this guy go. Look at these conditions, guys. I call it passion. My buddy's out there at 11 o'clock off the point. He's out here in this nastiness as well, trying to get it done. We're probably, I see one other guy's out here, but that's about it. Oh, we got one baby trout, one baby red. All it takes is one nice one to make all this nastiness worth it. That's still worth it. I love it. Got a little trolling going on, heading right into the rain. Trolling a 27 MR off the left side. Got it behind me, probably 40 yards, 30 yards. I'm in about 2.5 foot of water. I'm doing close to 2 miles an hour. Heading towards a better spot. Just waiting for it to go off. Boy, that looks nasty up ahead. Alright, I got something on here. Trolling that 27 MR like we said. Probably a trout. Little old trout. That's not funny. But in these conditions, look at that guy. When you talk about barely hooked, I mean, look at that. Wow, these conditions are so nice. He's gone. Let's keep at it. Heavy wind, guys. We're trolling to the open area. Got a 27 MR on the left. Got a Gulp swimming mullet in my right hand here. I'm trolling off the right side. They're back behind me. And just cruise to your next spot, and you pick up those extra fish along the way. Got the autopilot set in this direction at a certain speed. No different than being on the big boat trolling. Alright, we got a little something on here. Fighting pretty good, actually. This is going to be way bigger than what we've had on there in the last 3 fish. Moving with the boat. I'm guessing a nice trout. Hoping a nice trout. No, it's a nice red. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Come on. There we go. All right. That's what we've been waiting on, guys. All right. Yeah. Finally, a little bit better. Take a nice picture of him because it's been a while. I'm ready for a fish. How about y'all? Looks like a good spot. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice red. That'll work. And that purple on that red, how beautiful that is. Yeah. Sweet. Nice. That is on. Just got these yesterday in the mail, registering for the CA Spring Classic Tournament. Dark and stormy. Minnow Z. Got the job done. Nice looking fish. This guy is going to take 0 reviving. He's a maniac. He's gone. Alright guys, let's keep it going. Woo! Alright, it's getting worse. Look at it. Good grief, it's nasty. Oh man. Guys, that's it. It's a nasty, windy, rainy day. But we still came out here and we still managed to get it done. Nothing of great size today, but still some good action. About 5 redfish, 3 or 4 trout, I can't remember. Nothing in the slot, but we still caught them. No live bait today, went completely artificial, which is good. And I'm happy. I'm happy that I didn't listen to the weatherman and I came out here and gave it a shot, and we got it done. We got some kayak time. In the upcoming videos, we have another kayak video planned, and then I got a trip to Crystal River planned for 2 days, and we're gonna get some great footage on that trip. I gotta incorporate the drone on that a little bit as well. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. If you're enjoying these videos, please give me that thumbs up and think about subscribing. We are probably about 5 minutes from the ramp. We're going to load up. We're going to get out of here. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.